We have one LLM tax student and 49 in the general LLM program who have come here from all over the world.
My first day here in Chicago, I didn't know anybody.
I was a little shy.
The LEAP program is designed to improve your legal English skills and to expose you to the foundations of the U.S. legal system.
I love teaching in the LEAF program because we get to talk about how contract law is different in different places.
Since I've been working as a corporate lawyer, I think that I really need more focus on the corporate law in the United States because corporate law rules all the transactions that happens here in America.
The differences of each legal system is very interesting.
You were able to enjoy some of the great things in this wonderful city of Chicago.
Four weeks later, I can start a semester saying that I know a lot of people here.
We make lots of friends from a different country.
Northwestern was so welcoming with me. We didn't feel that we are a stranger here. It already gave me an advantage for when the semester starts.
We hope you got a taste of what it's like to be here at Northwestern, and we hope that you're looking forward to what is to come.